Hello everyone and welcome back if you've been here before. If you are new here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Just to introduce myself really quick to anybody that might be new here, my name is Koreena. This is my channel, Koreenacleans, and in today's video we have so much happening, but the main thing that I'm very excited to show you today is how to deep clean your dishwasher. If you have a newer dishwasher, I'll talk a little bit about how to clean an older dishwasher if that is an appliance that you happen to have in your house instead of a newer one, because they can be a little bit different. But stay tuned for that. I'm going to be sharing some really cool tips and tricks and hacks to keeping your dishwasher clean. This is the dishwasher that I'm talking about. This is my new dishwasher. We just got it this year, right before Thanksgiving, and this is the filter. It gets so gross. So you need to pull this out, I want to say at least every other week, and just give it a quick scrub in the sink like I am here. I am just going to be using some Dawn Power Wash, some hot water, and some elbow grease, and just giving it a quick little scrub. The transformation of this was super satisfying, and honestly, every time I pull this filter out, it's kind of yucky like this. So I really like to do this at least once every other week. I like to put it on like a little cleaning schedule, which I'll eventually share with you guys. I keep like a little cleaning schedule to make sure that I keep up on everything around the house in a timely, manner. Do I always comply with that? Not always, but you know what? Sometimes life happens and you can't always get the things that you want to get done in the time that you want to get them done. So I try to stay on top of that list as best as I can, but let's be realistic here, Also, another thing I do to keep my dishwasher sparkling clean is using Finish Jet Dry. I noticed it does help keep the inside of the dishwasher much cleaner, especially if you have a stainless steel dishwasher. Like the inside of it is stainless steel. The Finish, Jet Dry stuff helps it keep it very shiny and, maintains the cleanliness of the inside. Also, what I really love to do is use this dishwasher cleaner. I use it once a month and it's absolutely fantastic. You can get it at the grocery store or your local like Walmart or anything like that. I get mine off of Amazon, so I guess you could do that too. You could get it offline, and I just pop it in here once a month on the bottom rack on my hottest cycle, and it just kind of gets rid of the stink in there, and I know that the inside of the dishwasher is getting sanitized. So it's very cheap, inexpensive way to maintain your dishwasher. So if you have an older dishwasher, you might have to unscrew a couple of screws to get to your dishwasher filter, which is what I used to have to do with the old dishwasher before I got this one. And I've lived in many different houses. Some had dishwashers, some didn't. But any of the houses that did, they were older dishwashers. And I always had to unscrew and take apart something to get to the dishwasher filter. So check what dishwasher you have. If it's older, go online, make sure that you're unscrewing the right parts, and make sure that you don't break your dishwasher in the process, because that's the last thing I want, is for me to tell you to go clean your dishwasher filter and then you break your dishwasher and can't afford to get a new one. That would absolutely suck. So make sure you double, triple check to make sure that you are doing it correctly. But yes, make sure you check with your manufacturer before you take your dishwasher apart to clean that filter. But it is very important to clean said filter. So I was just gonna take a minute here while I'm finishing up the dishes, because I got pretty far behind since I wanted to run a cleaning cycle on my dishwasher. I did do a bunch by hand, but by the time I was done with those, the dishwasher was ready to go, so I just loaded it back up with a new load, which worked out in my favor because I didn't have to do all of the dishes by hand that day. But I did want to take a second to say hi and ask you how you guys are doing. How was your week? If you're new here, don't be shy. Go ahead and introduce yourself down in the comments below. I love to get to know you guys. If you're new here, please consider joining the community here. We are almost at our goal of 1,000 subscribers. We are halfway to 1,000. I think we're a little bit over right now as I'm doing this. I think we're at like 130 something. Don't quote me on that. but I am doing a giveaway on this channel once I hit 1,000 subscribers. I am super, super excited about that. If you want the details, I'll have them linked down in the description below. I got tongue-tied there for a second, as well as any of the products that I use throughout today's video. If I can link it, it will be linked. If you are new here, let me just introduce myself in, more depth. My name is Koreena. I am a wife and a mother to a almost 3-year-old little boy named Remington. He is autistic. I am 25 years old. I live in upstate New York. I have been with Jeremy for a little bit, over 4 years now. We are not technically married, but we literally call each other husband and wife all of the time. Like, anytime I'm referring to him or he's referring to me, I'm like, oh, my husband, and he's like, oh, my wife. Like, at this point, we should just get married, like, at the courthouse. But yes, that's just a little bit about me. I have ADHD. Me and my husband own a restaurant together, so I am a stay-at-home mom most of the day, but I do help out at the restaurant as much as I can, and I have my hands full here with Remy. So yeah, that's just a little bit about me and about my life. So yeah, I hope you join the community here. I truly do have some of the nicest people here, even though I'm still a small channel. They are some of the nicest, sweetest people. Okay, so finally I am replacing these big cups they're literally the same exact cups. I got them from Home Goods. They always have this brand there, and I love, love, love these cups, and so does Jeremy. And they're super inexpensive. I think I paid $13.99 for the whole set. Like, that's a steal, and I feel like they're always there every single summer. There is some type of Tommy Bahama glassware set. but the old ones, I used to put them on the bottle jets inside of the dishwasher, and it ruined them, completely ruined them. It won't ruin like water bottles or baby bottles or sippy cups or anything, but it ruined our regular glassware. So I finally replaced them, and I'm so happy that I did. I don't know why I didn't do it earlier, because I had an extra set just in the house because they were so cheap. I bought an extra set and just stored it away for purposes like this. You know, glasses get broken, and I like to have the same amount of cups in the cabinet at the same time. I know that sounds crazy that I bought extra just because I like to have an even amount of glassware in my cabinet, but I'm glad that I did, because it seems that, you know, it had a purpose. So that was really great, and I'm just shocked that the bottle jets would ruin glassware like that. So if you have bottle jets inside of your dishwasher, I wouldn't recommend putting any glass cups on those. Stick with the water bottles and baby bottles and sippy cups.